Hi, this is ATS Security, and today I am just going to do a quick overview of why you need a protected home. You're probably thinking, alarm systems are way too expensive. There's contracts, and there's all of these things where they have to come to your house and install it, and yeah, it's just a big hot mess. Well, with ATS Security Services, it's easy. With ATS Security, it's easy. No month-to-month rates, no contracts, and we decide what we think is best for your home and giving you a price that you're comfortable paying. There's no need to call up an alarm system company and have them try to wire something for you, and then you have to pay like $30 a month, and it's very expensive, and you might want to avoid it anyway because you want a wireless system and you want one that you can rely on. Well, with ATS, you can get an alarm system you rely on and you're comfortable paying for, all for the right reasons for your house. Go with ATS. Always protected.